So there have been some questions on how to install Virtual DJ 2021. Do you need a new license? No, if you have a current license for Virtual DJ, you can just install it, but you do have to go to the website and do it. This is one of my older laptops. I think it's probably 5 or 6 years old, and I'm actually still running Virtual DJ 8 on it. Let's open that up for a minute, see what happens. Well, there it is. It doesn't even tell me that it wants to do any kind of updates or anything. It's just there. So let's go ahead and close this out, and let's open up Google Chrome. Make that big. And let's type in Virtual DJ. Search. Okay, here it is. Let's go to download Virtual DJ. And here we go. This is 2021 right here. This is the newest one. And it says here, Windows, Mac OS. I want it for Windows. This is going to be a 64-bit download. This is 2020. This is 2021. Alright? So 2020 is 32-bit. 2021, I believe, is only 64-bit. So we want that. Just click on that. And it's downloading right here. Takes a few seconds. Alright, there it is. So now we can just click on that. And the install begins. Yeah, accept terms. Install. Bless you. And here we go. This might take a few minutes. Again, this is a full new install. It's going to go right over your 8 or your 2020 or whatever you have. So this might take a few seconds. And it's a pretty busy site right now. A lot of people are doing it. And there we go. Yep, let's do this. We go ahead and close this window out. We don't need it anymore. Now we can launch Virtual DJ. Now right here you can see it installed next to Virtual DJ 8. When I did this on my other machine, it went right over Virtual DJ 2020. But here we actually have both of them. So launch Virtual DJ. Got a Windows driver error. It's because I don't have my MIDI controller plugged in. So okay, whatever. But yep, this is it right here with the new features, and it's going to give us some tutorials and all kinds of stuff that we can check out to figure out how to use it, which is, pretty helpful. But yeah, that's really all there is to it. And like I said, this one had 8 on it, so it did install 2021 next to it. So I guess we have both. Let's take a look and see if 8's still here. Not like I want it, but let's see if it's here. Oh, that's still up. Let's close this first. Okay, go away. Now let's see if we can open 8. I guess not. I guess 8's not. Well, yeah, it is. There's 8 right there. Okay. So it does run alongside 8, I guess, if you want to, I don't know, test it out. I don't know why you would want 8. I should just get rid of this, because now I got 2021 on this machine. So really, that's all there is to it, folks. It's essentially that simple. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching. Practice and enjoy.